हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज राधेश्याम यादव। आज मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 जो एनसीईआरटी बुक है उसका एक्सरसाइज 12.1 का करने जा रहा हूँ, जो सरफेस एरिया एंड वैल्यू चैप्टर से है। नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top। मतलब सपोज ये सिलेंडर हो गया और surmounted by a conical top। If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter, find the area of canvas used for making the tent। First, find the area of the canvas used for making the tent, and also find the cost of the tent at the rate of ₹500 पर मीटर स्क्वायर। सो इस क्वेश्चन में हमसे दो चीजें पूछी जा रही हैं। पहला है सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द कैनवास एंड सेकंड है कास्ट ऑफ द टेंट। अगर 500 रुपीज पर मीटर स्क्वायर है। सो टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन वी शुड प्रोसीड एज given is the diameter of cylinder, diameter of cylinder D equals to 4 meter, equals to 4 meter. Therefore radius will become 4 by 2, that is 2 meter. Height of cylinder, height of cylinder, height of cylinder, that is small h, equals to 2.1 meter. And the slant height of the cone, slant height of cone, that is small l, is 2.8 meter. Now the radius of the cone will be same as of the radius of the cylinder. So we have to know the surface area of cone. Surface area of cone. Surface area of the canvas. That means 2 pi RH plus pi RL, that is surface area of cylinder plus surface area of cone. So we will get, now we can take pi r as a common, pi r as a common, then we will get 2h plus l. Now I will put the value. Pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 2 into height is 2.1, height of the cylinder, plus 2.8 is the L slant height of cone. So we will get 22 by 7 into 2 into, once we add it, so we will get 7. So 7 cancels 7, so we are getting 44 meter square. So the surface area of canvas is 44 meter square. So first answer is 44 meter square. Now the second part is find the cost of the tent at the rate of 500 rupees per meter square. So 1 meter का कीमत कितना है? 500 rupees. So 44 should be multiplied with 500 rupees. So the cost of the tent, the cost of the tent equals to 44 into 500. Since 44 meter into 500, so we will get 0, 0, 5 4 ja 20, 0, 5 4 ja 20 plus 2, 20. That is 22,000 rupees. So this will be rupees 22,000. So our answer will be, answer is 44 meter square and 22,000 rupees is the cost. So in this way, this question can be solved, where he has asked for two things: area of the canvas and cost of the tent. तो फर्स्ट हमने क्या किया, उसकी कैनवास की एरिया निकाला और उस एरिया को 500 रुपीज से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, तो हमारा आंसर आ जाता है 22,000 and this is, so in this way this question is solved. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share it. Thank you.